The grade 6 completers in special program in science with their proud parents. They're superheroes for the processional. Marching at the center of the parents of the completers. Teachers of the science class from grades 1 to 6 and grade 6 teachers. Administrators and guests. To start with, as we pay tribute to our heroes by singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be conducted by Mrs. Helen E. Bacalya.
Ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
I'm so blessed, my Lord, I can see momentous occasion, the dawning ceremony for special program science. Grabe ang iyong pag-antos mo, so kaya po mo pag grade 1. Grade 1 special science class mo, hantod nabot na yun mo sa grade 6. So I do hope and pray na sa high school pohon, pupadayan niya po mo sa inyong pagka-special science class. And my dear parents and guardians, let's continue to support your children for this program. Welcome and good morning once again.
Thank you, sir. So well noted, grade 6, Maritari Palomo and Mr. Enrique MTC. The names of the completers will be read by the advisors in special program in science, respectively, Mrs. Grace G. Gantuangco and Mrs. Glenda M. Buntiga.
Get ready, please. Ang girls dayon, doon na inyong ang bangka. Magdunga na lang ka abang saka diri pa do, no? Okay, Zaiki T. Barangan. Stevenson Caburnay Jr. Joshua Eroluga. Gabriel J. Lausa. Asher Melmida. Raj A. Montimor. J.L. Arsinan. Candice Claire B. Atilio. Rain Byron. Divine A. Cañete. Athena Micaela Digam.
Leandro G. Alisoso, accompanied by parents Rogelio Alisoso and Leah Alisoso. Angelo Dwayne Dirk S. Baculi, accompanied by mother Gregoria Baculi and sister Nanya Bless Baculi. Paul J. C. Bironga, accompanied by Mr. Oliver Bironga and Mary Jane Cabanullas. Andales, accompanied by Mother Ilona Andales. Zarina M. Arienza, accompanied by Father Rex Arienza. C. Pigno, accompanied by Mother Stephanie Katubig. Athea P. Bosque, accompanied by Father Nem Bosque and Mother Zenea Falconi M. Amado.
Okay, again, congratulations, completers. Hats off for a job
to
well done.
congratulate
And
our
now,
science classes graduates. Okay, mo graduates naman yun nun na this morning you have received your supply, no, your SAS. So remember these graduates that without your parents, maybe you cannot be what you are now. So be grateful to your parents. Mukahod, look at your parents, follow them, no? They are supporting you. The sacrifices that they have done for you.
keyword is grateful. Ha? Mapasalamaton. Kaya di dyan mo moabot o walay parents. So, isad mo maabot o walay teachers, no? Yan isad mo kung tungod po sa inyong maayo, iabot sa muli na. Okay, again, congratulations. Okay, let's join our hands as we call on the completers for the tribute song, The Journey. Once again, the greatest completers for their journey. all know who have been an instrument in everyone's academic development. Dear parents, you are the reason in their success and achievement. Thank you. Nanghilak na ba ang tanan? Okay, take your seats, completers. Mrs. Maricar E. Palomo for her closing remarks. A big hand, please.
Good morning. As part of the graduating of the Special Program for Science, you achieve a significant milestone in your academic journey. As you move forward to the next chapter of your lives, the high school, grade 7, senior high, and college, remember to carry with you the lesson learned, the friendships made and shared during your time here in your alma mater, dear TISA 2 Elementaries.
As we come to the end of this event, let us carry the energy and enthusiasm we experience here today and our everyday lives. Grade 6 completers, continue